welcome everyone. And I finally got my hands on one of these kits from Scaleauto. Thank you, Slunker Corner. Y'all have been following it. How can you not? Scaleauto's just killing it lately. And this is just one of them. These Lamborghinis for the Cup Series, variety of colors, just perfect for club racing. But yeah, I said the K word kit, but don't panic. It's not that big a deal. Let's get to it. All right, let's dive into this. The kit, huh? Yeah, like I said, I'm not afraid of that word. I know it can be a little intimidating sometimes. What do you mean a kit? Now, like I said, there's not much to worry about here. Packaging seems okay. Pretty good deal. A little different, of course. And there's our body. That's nice. Yep. Look at that. Yeah, the hard part's done. It's painted. Even the interior is in, right? That's pretty good. Let's take a look at that. Just because we can, right? And let's just take a quick look here. Zero that out. 2021. Good enough. All right. Get that out of the way. There, see? So far, so good. Right? Right. Let's get in here. Take a look, see where our parts are. There we go. There. All right. Looks like tires to me. And a chassis with a spare chassis. And it's, wow, pretty much assembled. There's really not much to this, is there? So, like I said, it says kit, but let's face it, this is about as easy as it gets with the kit version. All right. Her chassis, everything seems to be put together. Remember, you're going to need your wrench sets to go through here. Make sure everything is tight, adjusted the way you want. That goes without saying. Most of you advanced club racers out there very familiar with this. If you're not, I'll show you a graphic up there. You can get a wrench set right there from Slunker Corner. They have all the sizes that you need. Scaleauto with the cross tip and everything else. You're going to need a few wrenches. So if you're going to start working on these cars, make sure you get that. That looks pretty good. So what do we have here? The tires, huh? Okay, take a look. Trying to do a pretty good view here, but let's see. Wow, nice. There's our inserts and our tires. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I like that. Look at this. Huh? Look at that. Brake rotor detail. Look at that. Man, look at that. Something else, isn't it? These little things, to me, they just, wow. Look at that. I know, I sound like the old dude. He used to go to school uphill both ways in the snow. You know, this seems to be a standard nowadays, but to me, this kind of detail level, wow. Yeah, that's great. And the markings here on the tires. Whether or not you keep the tires, that matters to you, but for right now, that's pretty sharp, isn't it? Wow. All right. Well, now let's get to the wheels and tires. So, the assembly, it's pretty easy. They're just press fit. If you want to add adhesive, you can, but they're pretty tight. So, there. Nice and tight. Now, back here on the aluminum wheel, see, it might be a little loose. Maybe a little bit of adhesive in here if you want, but mine all fit pretty good. So, there you go. Wow, that's difficult. Tires. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, tire choice. This is the most challenging part of the kit, if there is one. You have your 10 millimeter wide and 8.25. Again, just wider in the rear, narrow up front. That's pretty easy. And remember, if you want to glue and true everything, this is your time to do it. And this wheel size here, basically your 1510, this is a very, very common wheel. So if you want to add different rubber, you certainly have a lot of choices out there with this wheel. Like I said, it's, there we go. Yep. And the rib width is the real kicker there. Yeah, just right around 5. Yeah, that's just perfect. So, like I said, there's no shortage of aftermarket tires for these wheels. So, if you're going to use stock. If not, again, you're not limited. And they also include the spring for the guide if you want to use it. And just a final reminder that the set screws here for your front axle adjustment are included. They're already installed, top and bottom in the chassis. And again, speaking of the chassis, I think that it adds a lot of value to the kit that they include the hard compound chassis with it. So yeah, you can have your choice. You can experiment, see which one is right for you. Either way, I'm glad they included it. And finally, yeah, the body mount screws, front and rear. And here we go. Yep, that'll do. Remember, I left the magnet in there, didn't take it out. No added weight. All right, here we are. Wow, just a few minutes and we got it going. And it's nice. I mean, these are the Cup Championship cars. If, you know, for club racing, all the variety of colors, you could just go lane colors, right? And do that. If you want more to scale, then there's other choices, but I think these are pretty cool. Anyway, let's just get after it. Wow, that's smooth. So now I'll go ahead, I'll turn on the lap timer. And we'll just get a few laps here. Something I want you to remember is, oh, yeah, 3.7. Yeah. 3.6 is, I haven't done any advanced tuning, no truing. I just slipped those tires on there, see? Look at that. But look at that wear right there. I've done about 20 laps, right? And we'll just give it a little bit. Kind of just trying to do a box stock. This is one of the nicest cars I've tested from them. It's super quiet. tire fitment on the wheels without trimming. It's just a smooth operator. All I did was set up the front axle, you know, to get that sweet spot, that tripod we want. 3.6. That's pretty good. There we go. Need another tire cleaning. But anyway, there you go. That wasn't that hard, was it? So just because it says a kit, don't worry about it. It's pretty easy to put together. Again, I like this cup idea for the clubs. Just all the lane colors, throw them down, and just have some fun. And leave them there IROC style too, right? You bet. Anyway, thanks, Lockhart Corner. Really appreciate you, all your support. As always, great service, fast shipping. We know you're top shelf. Anyhow, this car, look, I tell you, you want a fast mover. Yeah, this will do.